As I said before, we don't have to get into some complicated theories, but in this section, we will have to know some information about Earth and solar radiation. The solar resource is intermittent by nature, on which it depends on climatic conditions, weather, like seasons and hours of days, latitude of the site, and its distance from the equator. From the figure, it can be concluded that the movement of Earth around the Sun in different seasons plays a major role in the amount of rays received by Earth. The direction of the incident beam radiation depends on the position of the Sun, which varies throughout the day. Moreover, the Sun's path for a location depends on its latitude and the season of the year. In some months, we can have longer sun hours and shorter in some others. And that's because the Earth is closer to the Sun in January and furthest away in July. And also, we can see that the solar rays vary depending on the location of the site, if it's in the north or the south of the Earth. So to properly size a solar field and according to these two constraints, we must adapt the parameters of orientation and inclination. That's why you have the azimuth angle. In the northern part of Earth, the angle is always facing the south, and in the southern part of Earth, the angle is always facing the north. And we have the tilt angle. It's the angle between the ground and the panel.